before we get into the video, a couple of things I want to go through first. One being, I've already done the unboxing of this product, but I'm going to be doing another one in this video. And the reason I've already done an unboxing is because I've done a Christmas special. Now, I know some of you don't like Christmas specials, or you might have missed it, I don't know. So I'm doing another one of an unboxing of this. I repackaged it all back up, just so I can undo it again, just for the video. And the second thing is, I've already got one cage. This is a half cage, and it's by the same company, SMALLRIG, this little baby here, and this is the GH5. And the reason I want another cage is basically for that camera there, my, what's it, Blackmagic Pocket 6K Pro Gen 2 camera. Sorry, I had to think about that one. So I bought another cage because I want that to be on a cage. At the moment it's only sitting on a tripod, but I want it to be on that cage, okay? That's why we're doing this unboxing. So this is the sort of setup I'm looking for. I might put the handle around the other way, but I like the handle on this cage. I like it like that. Also, I had the screen face at me so that I can see that I'm actually in the video and I'm in focus and things like that. And yeah, basically that's my setup. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Yeah? So with that, let's do the unboxing and the installation, shall we? Right, I put the GH5 back up there. Yeah, it's up there. So you can see down what I'm doing an unboxing on. So I can't actually show you all the way around the box because it's got a great big bloody label on the other side with my name and my address. And although I know people can find out where I live anyway, I'd rather not advertise it if you're not a meeting, unless you're sending me something, of course. So this is a full cage, whereas the other one that I just showed you is half cage. This is a full cage, and this is an older model actually. They have got a newer model out and they've done some upgrades to it. And I will probably at some point, hopefully in 2023, hopefully I will be buying another one, or the newer one, because this one, as far as I understand, does not take the battery grip, but it was at a good price because my wife originally bought it on Black Friday. I've got it for nearly half the price of what it costs. Well, it's about £45 I think I saved, something like that. So yeah, I had to get it, you know, and I needed one for Christmas. And the other one, it was difficult to get hold of the newer model, and also it was a lot more expensive. And the other thing is, I was thinking, I think it's called, is it, begins with a T, I can't think what the name of it. The other company that makes cages, I did fancy one of theirs, but again, it was a lot more expensive, but it actually came with a lot more gear. And I didn't want my wife spending that kind of money on me at the moment, because we're paying out quite a bit as it is. What fuel prices going up and things like that. It was just getting too expensive. I said, look, let's just cut back, get Christmas out of the way, and let's move all that bit. Get Christmas out of the way, and then we can start saving a bit of money, and perhaps in the future I can start buying my own stuff again instead of you buying it for me for Christmas. Oh, I've got my birthday coming up, so that'd be handy. So you have a small Allen key. Now, when I first done the unboxing for this, I thought it's a bit strange. It comes with an Allen key and a little screw, and that will not fit that because that Allen key is too small. And I thought, oh, it's not going to fit. And then I realised there's another Allen key that was magnetised on the bottom here. Yeah, there. So that fits that. Now you might be thinking, well, where's that go? Well, it goes in the top, which is up here. So the camera face that way, and I believe it goes in that one. I'm not 100% sure, I can't remember now. And you have two screws in the bottom that do not fall out, as you can see. Now, I do know you can actually take this apart to a point, and I think you can turn it into half a cage. I'm not going to do it, I'm going to leave it as it is. Like I said, this one is for SSD drive, which I don't have the right SSD. That's another thing I'm going to be buying, because I want to put the right SSD drive in now, which is a Samsung T5, I believe, and that will slide in there nicely. The one I've got is, oh, it's over here, is the Western Digital Black. I thought it might fit, but it doesn't. I've been using the Western Digital Black for my recordings and it's been fine, no issues. But I haven't been using it for 6K, I've only been using it for 4K. So that's a quick look around. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take that camera, that one, so you won't be able to see me. Oh yeah, you will be able to see me, but not through that camera, be through another camera. I'll be taking that camera and plugging it all into that. So give me a sec. Right, so this is my current setup when I'm using this. It's just basically screwed straight into the actual camera, which is okay, but I like, especially if I'm going to be carrying it about, I like to have a handle there. You know, this you can just turn so it's facing you so you can see what's going on, or use that of course. So let me just quickly turn it on and show you. I've got lens on at the moment, so we've got a Christmas theme or screensaver going on at the moment. Can you see that? Actually, see that? So that's currently my setup. Like I said, this cage will not take the battery pack, so I need to take that off. Got to take that off. Got to take the lens on, off. You know, just to put it on. I don't really want to slide it over. It will fit over, but I don't like the idea of sliding it over. So I'll just take it off while I'm doing the installation. So with that, let's get on with the installation. And stop talking, Yorkie. So, leave that out of the way for a second. Shouldn't take too long. The other reason you might want a cage, well, there's quite a lot of reasons why you want a cage. One of the things I like about a cage is the amount of connectivity you have. And what I mean by that is all these little holes, all screw holes down the side. You can mount a cold shoe onto there. You know, screws on the side, everywhere. Loads, oh, even on the bottom as well. Loads of options for you for connectivity, which is what I want. I think, yeah, I do. I need my pair of pliers to remove that screw thing. So, give me a second, just for that. The thing is, when you screw it down, it makes this a bit tight. That's it. It's just a little bit, it's all you need. Right, close these up. Just to make it easy to go on, make sure it's nice and flat, which it is. Get this and lay it down like that. Oh, I haven't took the battery off ever, or the extended battery pack. It would help. Like I said, it won't fit in the cage. That's it. I do like the battery pack, it's really good actually, really handy. Right, sitting saying this side, what is it hitting? Nothing. Sitting that side now. And once it's on the cage, I won't have to remove it no more. Hopefully. Is that it? Yeah. Do the bottom first. I found it easier to do the bottom first, or you know, do the screws on the bottom first, because they seem to fit perfectly. See what I mean? I haven't done it up fully tight because that doesn't always line up perfectly. So I like to keep it a little bit loose. There you go. Get this one in, and then I'll do this one up tight. Just give it a little nudge. Same here. A nudge. Don't have to over tighten it, do you? That's it. Job done. Oh, put this back, and that goes in there. It's magnetised. I think it's the Allen key that's magnetised. Let me just double check. Oh no, it ain't. It's the actual bit of metal. So that would go in there. Now, I don't know if they've got a space for this, but I haven't found one yet. That's not magnetised yet. It's only magnetised there. There. So yeah, there's no resting place for that as far as I know. Although I thought it might have gone in there, but no, it doesn't. Let me know in the comments if there is a place for the little Allen key, but as far as I know there's not. So that's that on, yeah. Like I said, the battery pack will not fit, unfortunately, on this actual cage. Put the lens back on to keep it clean because I didn't put the cover on. It's on. Oh, where's my lens cover? Like so. Haven't got a handle yet. Now this, let me undo that. Let me get my other adjustment out. I need that as well. On my other cold shoe, because that's the wrong cold shoe for this. Give me a second. This is the actual one that came with this. Yes. And I have two of these because I did have two of these, but one was broken. I tried to fix it, and unfortunately it didn't work. But at least I tried, and I failed. I want that, like that. Oops, like that. Or like that. Stick it on now. That should just slide on. So, tighten it down. The reason you might want to use this one besides the other one, although that is adjustable, or a basic culture, is because you can go like that, which is what I want. Make sure it's nice and tight, and that's nice and tight, and then that's it. Job done. Plug in my HDMI cable, one in there, like so, and then HDMI in there. Like so. Battery pack. You can get smaller ones of these, but this is the large one and it lasts a lot longer. That's why I've gone for that. And that is it. Let's just make sure she's working. Should be working fine. Turn that on. And voila. Are we out of focus? There we go. Da, da, da. That's it. Job done. Yeah, very easy. Like I said, I want to get a handle, which will probably go there somewhere. Can't see it going there, but I prefer it there anyway. So if that is facing me, it's not going to affect my hand, is it? And then when I've got it over there and it's facing me, I'm not using the handle anyway, so it's not in the way. Makes sense? But that's basically it. Yeah, very easy to do, no issues with it whatsoever. You can actually put straps on this as well. So you've got a strap handle there, or bar, and a strap bar there, and stick it around your neck, which will help, spit it out Yorkie, which will help because it's quite heavy with all this equipment. The actual cage itself is not too heavy, but the camera itself is quite heavy compared to my GH5, which is up there at the moment. Compared to that, that is really light compared to this. But I love this camera, and I love the GH5, believe it or not. So I was umming and ahhing whether to get the GH6, but I thought, nope, I'm going for the pocket. They keep telling me how good it is. And yeah, it is a brilliant camera, but it's very difficult to learn. If you're thinking about buying one, you might want to play about a bit first, just to see if you can get on with it. I'll get on with it all right, but I did have some issues when I first got it. When I first got it, I thought, that's not right. That picture's horrible. What have I done wrong? And I think I made a video. No, I'm making a video on showing you what I've done wrong and how I've corrected what I've done wrong, if that makes sense. If you're interested, let me know in the comments, and also subscribe, because I will, I will try and show you that video in a very near future after this video, if that makes sense. It should make sense, shouldn't it? So with that, just want to do this quick little video. Well, hopefully it's fairly quick. I will stick chapters in there in case you want to skip to any parts, you don't want to see, like this bit. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you do by giving me the thumbs up. If you didn't, you know what to do. Give me the thumbs down and consider subscribing. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.